Yeah, look at early morning. Yeah, this is the newest one, man. 32 Ford. Well, this one's a little beat up, but check this out. And this is another one. Blue Shark. Huh. The 65. 65 fastback. God, come on. Yeah. Oh man, what else is there? I think this one here. The Porsche Turbo. So yeah, these are newest of the new. I stopped by this morning and I found these right here. They're barely unloading their truck, getting the shippers ready. So there's some more stuff they're getting ready. But would you look at this, dude? 50th SuperFast on the back of this Ford. The color, man. Dang. This is the whole set right here. But I think with this one, it looks just like the Hot Wheel one. Even the wheels look good. So 50th SuperFast right here. Now this one, my nephew's gonna love this right here. Look at that. Look at that thing. You know, what's the chances of running into all of these in the same morning? Not a chance, man. So the thing, they just put out a new box. They come out with a repeat of a blue and a green. So a blue, a green, and a truck. That's the repeats. Unless they put out two cases and somebody beat me to this one. But I believe there's only one per case on this. They just finished completing their load. They got a little bit of the Larry Wood ones. Which you guys already seen enough of them. Two transports. And then these are the $1.27, the new Toy Story. So I guess they put quite a few of these ones, but they do get this. Let's go through them all though. It's just, I know some of you guys want to see what they look like and everything. I like this one though, Pizza Planet, little funky aliens. In the front of the car looks like a spaceship or an alien, I don't know. Yeah, a little pink convertible piece there. The Rex. Kind of look like a Hummer or something. Let's see here. nerve hammer. This one for it being the Buzz. I was expecting something more like wild, you know? Let's see what they did with Woody. This one's Woody. Oh, this one's okay. See, this one's alright, man. Looks nice. That paint is good too. This is Jesse. So they got all 6 of them. All 6 of them right here. Look at that. The red taillights go in the glass. That's pretty neat. But then there's these big Toy Story ones. But $3. T-Rex. That one look kind of funky. Let's see here, Toy Story 4. I haven't even seen the movie yet, man. That looks funny. Look at that. Look like they got the whole 8 of them here. Just the little princess one. I think they're still putting out some displays. Woody right here. Yeah. Alright, so he just put on another box right here. And there's this one here. I don't even know what the... Oh, Forky. That's weird, man. I don't even know if I showed the Buzz yet. But this is the Buzz. Oh, okay. So this one's pretty neat, but $3, I don't know. And then they got this here. If I was to get one, I would get this one. I'll most likely get this one only. But nah. Other than that, man, there's nothing really. So I'm gonna stick to this. I'll probably take a second one of this because of Sam. I know he's gonna want one. So that's the haul right there, man. 6 of these bad boys. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Now I'll get you guys another look at this one. Look at that. The front plate says SuperFast. Oh, the back plate too. Matchbox SuperFast 50. That's what it says. 85. Yeah, that thing is nice. Wish I could have found a second one. But yeah, that's it, man. Alright guys, dude. Look, I loaded mine in the cart. And then right before I left, I gave this another glance. I don't know why they put them here, man. And already there's one missing. I hope they just misplaced it. Woo! Hoo, 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 hoo. This is the Subaru BRZ. Oh, what? Oh, dang. Man. Damn, there's one missing though. Look at this Sylvia. Oh, dang. Look at that artwork right there. S15. This thing is heavy. Yeah, this thing is heavy. I'll give you guys another look at the artwork on this one. Oh, man. I think it's the Honda 2000, the one that's missing. Nope, there it is. 95 RX-7. Oh, I swear I'm gonna look for that thing right now, man. Yeah, 95 RX-7, man. All yellow. Thing is low. Low. Look how low that is. What's missing? The... Oh, no. Honda S2000. What? Man. I'm about to hit up another Walmart, so it's alright if we're missing that one. We're missing the black one. But would you look at that? Street tuners. And the fast. Oh, okay. So now I gotta look for it. Oh man. Nah, you know what? I think that one is missing, man. I'm looking. Maybe it fell? Yeah, maybe it fell. See, man, the stuff we gotta do, man. Nah, it didn't fall, man. And I don't like making a video, man, when it's incomplete. I like making a video when it's all there, you know? Oh, man. I can't believe we're just missing the one. We're missing the 96. That's the best one. Look at the wheels on it. Well, I know Sam's gonna flip when he sees this Honda, though. But that one's gone, man. They just finished stocking it up too, man. So at least they put out 4 out of the 5. So I'm about to hit up another store right now. Hell yeah. Woo. All right, man.